Welcome back to MS Tech. Today we'll be taking a look at a very minimalist mechanical keyboard. Adding this to your gaming setup will instantly make it look sleeker, but does it contain the necessary hardware in order to compete with its competitors? Let's see if the Epomaker GK68X can. And if you haven't seen our previous videos, I run the Tech Barn channel, and Matt recently asked me to join MS Tech so you guys can keep getting high quality content. And if you like what you see, there's a link to my channel in the description below. With that being said, let's jump right into the video. Starting off with the unboxing. There really wasn't anything special with this one, though it did come with a decent number of accessories. Opening the box reveals the keyboard itself, and another flap leading you to those aforementioned accessories. There are extra keycaps that provide the ability to make it Mac friendly or have the spacebar split into two different buttons. Additionally, there's a keycap and a switch puller, one in plastic, the other in metal. There are also a few extra Cherry MX Blue switches, and lastly, the premium braided USB-C cable. Despite the unboxing simplicity, the experience was nice due to the added accessories. However, it's the keyboard we need to talk about. It's a 68 key layout configured with Cherry MX Blue switches, and right off the bat, we can see that visually, it checks off every box. With the little red accents and the different shades of gray on the keycaps, the overall appearance is particularly sleek. On the back, there are 4 rubber feet, and over here we have a USB-C cord adapter to plug in the keyboard. The GK68X is a hot swappable keyboard, so swapping the switches is always an option. Moreover, this keyboard is RGB with 9 different effects that you can choose from. Too bright? Don't worry, you're also able to adjust the brightness of the keyboard to your own personal liking. All in all, I do wish there was a bit more customizability options when it came to the RGBs, but don't let that take away from the overall appearance. When it comes to the typing, you have the choice between Cherry MX Blue, Brown, or Reds, or Gatoron Optical, Black, Blue, Red, or Brown switches. I personally find these blue switches to feel very nice with their tactile feeling, but I would say that they're a little bit on the more loud side of things. Here's a quick sound test of the keyboard. Enjoy. So far, my experience with this keyboard have been really good. As someone who really appreciates a clean, retro, and minimalistic-like look, this works perfectly towards making my dream setup come true. I really enjoyed the typing experience too, regardless of it being on the louder side. Another nice touch is how Epomaker also has a model where this keyboard can be wireless, letting the consumer customize the setup they desire. Despite there not being too many different effects when it came to the RGB lighting, it still did the job perfectly fine. Overall, I can say that this is a very good option for anyone who is looking for a sleek mechanical keyboard. For $100, this is definitely a viable option. Thanks for watching. If you stuck around till the end, a like and subscribe is greatly appreciated. And also check out our channel. The link to that is in the description below. All support for our channel is appreciated. This has been MS Tech, and as always, stay classy.